Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on XRP just 2 days ago, on January 25th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $3.0995. And my main assumption at this very point was that this asset is forming some kind of triangle, and potentially it was a triangle of the B wave of the retracement on a bigger scale. And I told you that we have to be prepared for the next leg to the downside that will form the C wave. And guys, take a look right here. As you can see, we were at this point, and right after I make my previous video, we were in consolidation phase. We reached this apex of this triangle, and for now, guys, we are bleeding to the downside. And I have to admit that everything is in red, deeply in red on the crypto market right now. And to be honest, guys, I was expecting this movement, and that is why, guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for now I added the gold tier for limited 10 vacant places, and the only difference in between these two tiers is this one. Discord access member will have all the data for the potential trades, for the potential tickers that you should be aware of. But the gold tier members will have the exact setups with the stop loss and take profit orders. They will have the exact notifications when and how they should trade certain asset. On top of that, for each and every member, I will do a weekly 30 minutes Zoom calls in order to answer their question and in order to teach them how to properly use technical analysis and how to be successful trader. That is why, guys, for some of you, this might be a game changer opportunity, and if you want to drastically enhance your trading skills, feel free to invest in yourself.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and let's take a look again at its price action. You might wonder, does this movement invalidate the major movement to the upside that should form the top of our fifth wave on a smaller scale and potentially the top of our third wave on a slightly bigger scale? No, it doesn't. But at the same time, guys, the consolidation might last for quite a long period of time, and in just several minutes I will show you what I'm talking about. But for now, let's take a look on the general sentiment of the crypto market. As I already mentioned, the market is deeply in red. It lost about the total crypto market cap lost about 6.8% of its value, and for now it is hovering at $3.36 trillion. And guys, if you take a look right here, we don't have any coins that is in green right now. All of them are deeply in red, and unfortunately it is just the nature of the market, especially of this quite high volatile market as a crypto industry. That is why, guys, we have to be prepared, and we have to be to hedge our position. And how you can do it, definitely I showed you multiple times in my video. As for XRP, I told you that as long as this couple of pivots hold, we might see next movement to the upside. But if XRP breaks these ranges to the downside, definitely you should leave your position, and you have to book your losses for just several percent, couple of percent, instead of this quite substantial 15% to the downside. That is how this should work. But let's continue with the technical analysis. And before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, definitely the main catalyst for the entire crypto market is Bitcoin, and let's take a look at the Bitcoin price action. I have to say that wait a second, we are still quite bullish overall, despite this quite substantial movement to the downside. And we were right here, we also were in some kind of consolidation phase, sideways consolidation phase. But if you zoom out to, let's say, 3 hours time frame or 4 hours time frame, it is nothing else but just a noise on the bigger picture of this price action. And what should we expect next? I have to admit that as long as this bottom holds, and I marked this range almost a month ago, or even more than 1 month ago, and we hit it perfectly well on January 13th. Right here we have potentially the first attempt to break its all-time high. We have a tiny blip above this top, but at the same time, guys, the consolidation was showing that potentially we might have another leg to the downside. And how we can project the potential range of support. I have to pull a fib retracement tool from the bottom of the wave to the top of the wave, and guys, take a look right here. We broke with the flying colors 0.5 level and 0.382. Previously that acted as a support, as you can see right here, and for now we are aiming to around $96.793, and this golden pocket range might hold, and we might see at least a bounce to the upside that will bring a little bit of recovery for the alt market. On top of that, guys, let's take a look at total 2 and total 3 indicators. Total 2 is the crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, and as you can see, we had also this consolidation phase with the pure triangle, pure shape of triangle, and we also broke it to the downside. And here you can see that we have the range of support that we are pretty much scratching right now at $1.32 trillion, and potentially this might be the bounce for altcoins if the Bitcoin dominance will go to the downside. Let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance. And here, as you can see, we have a spike in Bitcoin dominance. This means all the money that were invested in altcoins for now are moving to Bitcoin price, and that is why, despite the movement of Bitcoin to the downside, all altcoins are bleeding even more. And I have to admit that it is quite scary, but at the same time, guys, nothing will fall to the downside infinitely. That is why, guys, let's continue with XRP price action. And what should we expect next? As already mentioned, if my assumption is correct and we formed just a third wave to the upside from this bottom, from this triangle, and this is just an internal third wave of the fifth wave, sorry, on a slightly bigger scale. And this means, guys, we have to see some kind of reaction out of this range, out of $2.7, and pretty much we have this first reaction, but the volume is quite high, and we have to see a substantial reaction out of this range. This means the next candle should be opened and closed above the, let's say, $2.73 mark. Only in this case, potentially, we might see the recovery mode for XRP, and in this case, the bottom of our C wave will be right here. But let's project the price target of the bottom of the C wave projected from the A wave. You know that the most common ratio in between A wave and C wave is 1:1, and for now, guys, definitely it is very difficult to use the real top of the B wave, because it was a formation, it was a triangle formation, and potentially we can use this one as the top of the B wave or this one. But I prefer to use this one, and let's project the price target in this case. I have to pull the fib extension tool from the top of the A wave to the bottom of the A wave and to the top of the B wave. And guys, here you can see that we pretty much hit $2.65 with this long wick, and potentially it might be the bottom of the C wave. This means, guys, we have a decent contender to be the lowest point of the C wave, and from this point, depending on the upcoming price action, we might see the movement to the upside, and definitely for now it is too early to make this assumption. Probably I will do another update within the next couple of days, but so far this reaction, this range works perfectly well. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.